All the time between time. In the Gita, Bhagavan is saying, by my instructions, Maya is performing everything. Prakriti, Maya is doing everything because of my instructions. You see, I'll tell about the Giriraj, how Krishna lifted Giriraj. Early in the morning, Mother Yashoda woke up and she was cooking many delicious preparations. Gopal woke up, he saw his mother was not there. Krishna went to the kitchen. Then Krishna saw that his mother was cooking so many preparations. And a very nice smell was coming from the kitchen. So Krishna came, Mother Yashoda said, go back, step back, don't come here. Seeing so many preparations, Krishna started drooling, like salivating. But Mother Yashoda said, go step back, step back. Every day, Mother Yashoda was always taking Krishna with her and breastfeeding. Today, Mother Yashoda said, Gopal, go back, go back. Nothing. And Gopal felt so much like sadness. What happened today? Gopal came from the kitchen. Nanda Maharaj was sitting, and then Gopal sat in the lap of his father. Krishna caught the beard of his father, and it was so much affection. He said, oh my father, today my mother, what to speak of taking me in her lap? Today she told me to go back, to go back, to go back. Why is she telling this to me? Nanda Maharaj said, oh my son, look, according to our tradition in Braj, we will do the Indra Puja today. That's why all the Vrajavasis, they are cooking so many things. So, because of this, she's cooking so many laddu, kachori, jalebi, so many things. Be careful so that not your saliva would fall in any food. That's why she told you to go away. Krishna is very intelligent. Krishna told, oh my father, tell me, who is Indra? Who is Indra, father? That you're doing his puja. Nanda Maharaj told, Indra is the king of Swarga. By the orders of Indra, the clouds are raining, bringing the rain. If the king is happy, all the subjects will also get all facilities. But if the king is not happy, then the subjects will not also get facilities and everything good. We see also in this world, the politicians and the politics. So Nanda Maharaj said, look, we generally do Indra Puja, and because we do Indra Puja, rain comes. From the rain, grass grows, and the cows eat grass, and then the cows give milk. We are Vaishyas, we take care of the cows. Our duty is to give milk and yogurt. From this, we remain alive. Like we have our, get our, sustain, maintaining our lives like this. So, Krishna said, Father, you said that if Indra is happy, then the rain is coming. Rain is coming. Father, tell me, where does it rain more? Where does it have more rain? In the ocean. But who is doing Indra Puja in the ocean? Another point, Father, tell me. Also, it's really on the top of the mountain. Who is doing Indra Puja also there? But it's also raining there or not? Nanda Maharaj said, oh son, you were saying it's true. Krishna also told, Father, listen to me. Indra is not the king. The nature is doing everything by itself. Like in the Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan told. Bhagavan says, hey Arjun, listen to me. By my order, Prakriti is doing everything. The sun is rising in the east, and also he is setting in the west. Fire, wind, all the demigoddesses, they're all doing their duties because of my order. I am actually managing everything. So in this way, Krishna told the Father, nothing's happened due to Indra's orders. Actually, oh my Father, look, this rain that's coming in Braj. Actually, it's our Giriraj Govardhan is doing this because Giriraj is a very tall mountain. So then clouds come and they get stuck here, and that's why it rains. And from this, the grass is growing and the cows are eating and giving milk. And there is not the king. We are Vrajavasis. Who is a worshipper deity? Giriraj. Ki Jai! Oh my Father. You are actually having blind faith. Please arrange for the puja of Giriraj Govardhan. Telling this immediately, Giriraj Govardhan consulted Upananda and all the other seniors of Braj. Nanda Maharaj called up them. They did a great meeting, big meeting. And then, so the opinion of Krishna was put forward. Okay, let's worship Giriraj Govardhan. Then Nanda Maharaj immediately he announced, hey Vrajavasis, whatever you have cooked in your house, bring all to the lap of Giriraj. And when he said this, immediately all the Vrajavasis, whatever they had cooked in their houses, like here they cooked also, they brought everything. And they put around Giriraj, four sides of Giriraj. So in one form, Krishna went up in Giriraj, and in another form, Krishna was with Nanda Jashoda. The Brahmanas, like Krishna told the Brahmanas did puja and everything, and offered the food to Giriraj following all the rules. Then Krishna told the Vrajavasis, look Vrajavasis, look, have you ever seen Indra do it like this? No. Look, Giriraj is there on top of the mountain. Oh yeah, Kanhaiya, what are you telling is truth. Kanhaiya, wow. And Giriraj Govardhan himself was accepting all the ingredients, the preparations. He started eating. Krishna also told him, hey Vrajavasis, for a long time you haven't done Indra Puja. Have you ever seen him eating? No, Kanhaiya. Okay, so look, Giriraj is eating. You see, everything disappeared. Means Giriraj ate everything. You think it was taken inside, but actually Giriraj ate everything. That's why all the food disappeared because of the rain. Maharaj ki Jai! So Kali means empty and also ate. Two meanings. So Kali means ate and also empty, both. Ate and it's empty. It's empty, nothing's here. Okay, so bring more, bring more. So the Vrajavasis are like, oh, we were doing the Indra Puja for a long time. We've never seen Indra eating. So now our efforts were successful. Vrajavasis, even more enthusiastic, they came back to their houses and they cooked more sweets and fried foodstuffs and so many things. And they brought again to Giriraj. Giriraj ate. And everything again empty. Krishna thought, look, now it's past midday, like in the afternoon. So my Vrajavasis will continue hungry. So Krishna told, hey Giriraj Govardhan, my poor Vrajavasis, whatever they have offered to you, please be pleased with what they give. When Giriraj told this, bring more. So remembering this Leela, in remembrance of this Leela, that's why the great grandson of Krishna founded one village called Anorgaon. This village is there until nowadays. Very beautiful.
चलो आगे की कथा सुनाता हूँ। गिरिराज गोवर्धन तब कृष्ण कहने लगे, हे गिरिराज गोवर्धन,
Hey Giriraj Govardhan,
जो कुछ दिया उसे संतुष्ट हो जाएंगे।
be happy for everything Vrajavasis gave. Giriraj was happy. Then, with his big arms, he drank water from the Manasi Ganga. Then after that, the Vrajavasis were there, and then Krishna, he again manifested the prasada back. You've seen that actually Giriraj, he ate directly, and then again he manifested again all the prasada back. Krishna told Vrajavasis, come, let's all take the Mahaprasad of Giriraj Govardhan. Those who have very low intelligence and low sukriti, they won't have faith in four things. What? Mahaprasad. What is Mahaprasad? When Bhagavan accepts something and keeps it with his remnants, it is called Mahaprasad. This Mahaprasad, when the saints also take this Mahaprasad and also take their remnants, it is called Mahaprasad.
गोविंद भगवान की श्री विग्रह में और नाम ब्रह्मणि,
गोविंद
नाम ब्रह्म और विष्णु में ये चार वस्तु के प्रति जो है अल्प बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति के विश्वास नहीं।
So those who have less faith, Sukriti, they don't have faith in all this. But you see, no, but those who have Sukriti think, no, actually Krishna ate everything. He made everything empty because he ate everything. Now I can bring back because the rain is over. Put all the food here.
देखो तब कृष्ण ने क्या कि सब ब्रजवासी को हम सब महाप्रसाद ग्रहण करेंगे। एक तरफ कृष्ण
Okay, we'll take all the Mahaprasad.
समस्त ब्रजवासी को लेकर के
Krishna took all the Vrajavasis and did the parikrama of Giriraj. Krishna told, who is the worshipful deity of the Vrajavasis? It's directly Giriraj Govardhan. So let's do the parikrama of Giriraj. So Krishna did the parikrama of Giriraj. There's no rules to perform the parikrama of Giriraj. Even walking and eating, dancing, eating at the same time, everything together. So everybody was performing kirtan. In the Ananda Vrindavana Champa book, this is described very well. Everything is described in the Ananda Vrindavana Champu, but no time to speak more. This is Brajabhumi, everything is happening, no problem. This always happens, no problem. In the Western countries also, you can ask him or them, so much rain. I also, like this, the rain also many times an obstacle of the Harikatha. This is Leelas of Bhagavan actually. Sometimes rain comes and yes, after 10 minutes I'll stop. I have to go also there. So I was telling about, okay, so they started from Giriraj Parikrama. And all the devotees were tired. Then they went to their houses. Then Indra, Svarga Loka, so he was drinking Amrita, nectar, and also Somras. Indra was drinking this and drunk even. And then one servant of Indra came and told, Maharaj, Indra Maharaj, what happened? Today, you're not being worshipped in Braj. The Vrajavasis stopped worshipping you. A small boy told something, and just following this boy's opinion, all the Vrajavasis stopped worshipping you. So the Vrajavasis, even 80 years old and they don't have wisdom tooth yet. The Vrajavasis, even when they're 80, they don't have wisdom tooth. We have 32 teeth, but there's 2 teeth that are coming later. They're called wisdom tooth in English, no? I think wisdom tooth. So only get this tooth when is older, when like 20 something. But Vrajavasis, even they're 80, they don't get this tooth. Means they're foolish. They stopped worshipping you because of the instruction of a boy. They said it's fake news. This is fake news. Fake news or some misprint. Fake news. This is misprint or fake news? One of both. Then servant told, but I'm not lying, Maharaj, it's true. Indra said, I'll send another person to check what is going on. If Vrajavasis are worshipping me, and the one person who worships me, it's true. The Vrajavasis, they're worshipping a rock, a stone. There's a big stone in Braj, a mountain. They're worshipping a mountain. And they put around this mountain all the food, and they are doing kirtan around this rock and doing parikrama around the mountain. And I said, what? This kid is speaking too much. Foolish. So Indra thought, now there is no bamboo, nobody will play the flute. So I'll finish completely, I'll remove Braj of the map. Destroy Braj completely. And he got really angry, really mad. And he called the cloud that comes in devastation times Sambarta cloud. He called this cloud. Sambarta cloud, come here. Yes, sir, please tell me. Please order me. Go to Vraja and destroy Vraja with your rains. Completely flood Vraja, put Vraja under the water. I'm also going. I'm sitting on my elephant Airavat. I will use also my Vajra, my weapon, and I'll destroy Vraja completely. Indra is the king. So, when king ordered, immediately the Sambarta cloud started to rain, like surrounding Braj completely, these black clouds, just like smoke of the fire, you know, like this black cloud, black gigantic cloud surrounding Braj, just like a smoke. And so much wind. Early in the morning, all the Vrajavasis, Nanda Maharaj, sorry, they came in the courtyard of Nanda Maharaj. Nanda Maharaj, save us, save us. Because we follow what Krishna said, look, we stopped worshipping Indra. That's why Indra is so angry with us. And he wants to destroy Braj. Look at these big trees. All the trees, they were like moving, almost falling down. There was so much wind. Even the lightning was lightning and thunderbolt. What is the person who was doing the sound of lightning? He left. But today there was lightning or thunderbolt, I didn't hear. The thunder. And you know, the rain in the time of devastation, Shastra explains, the devastation is like the leg of an elephant. Like the drop of water is so thick and gigantic, like an elephant leg. Like an elephant something, but anyway, it's very big, this water. And then Nanda Maharaj came out and he really saw black clouds everywhere, storm, wind, storm, lightning, storm, thunders. In the boat. So in this moment, Krishna came. Krishna came and told, hey Vrajavasis, calm down. Gara Samhita explains. Krishna told, hey Vrajavasis, listen to me. Today Giriraj has come in my dream. Giriraj told me, Kanhaiya, Krishna, listen to me. Indra is an evil king. He wants to destroy Braj. But I give you my word. Just put your hand in Giriraj, and automatically I will come up, like Giriraj told in the dream. Krishna told Giriraj, but you're so big, how can I lift you? Giriraj said, don't worry. Just like a mushroom. Just like a mushroom, I also come up. You just need to, with your left hand, your pinky finger, just need to touch me. And I will come up.
सभी लोग और गिरिराज गोवर्धन के नीचे आ जाए मैं बिल्कुल गिरिराज गोवर्धन के छत्र के भांति
okay and I'll become just like
देखो
umbrella. I will lift Giriraj. So saying this, immediately Krishna came to that place. He just put his hand, left hand in Giriraj.
और लगाने के साथ ही साथ गिरिराज गोवर्धन
Giriraj came up
और नीचे बिल्कुल खाली
and underneath everything was like empty. So Krishna told Giriraj, bring, Brajabasis, bring all your wealth. What is the wealth of the Brajabasis? Their cows filled with milk. So all the Brajabasis, they brought all their things and came under Giriraj. And they were very nice. There was no need of electricity there. Shastra explains that under Giriraj, there are many kinds of jewels and gems until now. Very rare jewels. And they are shining so much. And under Giriraj was not cold, not hot, no wind, very nice weather and so much illuminated. And was throwing so much rain in that water. But the Brajavasis were so happy under Giriraj, they didn't feel a thing. They're even eating, singing, so happy. Especially the Vraj Gopis. Srimati Radhika amongst them. They came so close to Krishna. Like almost touching his body. Emergency period, everybody can be squeezed, no problem. What is happening in emergency periods? No consideration if it's a boy or girl. Just like in the bus. If the bus is full, in the day of Guru Purnima, when the train is coming, you've seen the day of Guru Purnima. The train. People even go on the top of the train. On the top, on the roof of the train. So you don't see if a boy or girl, doesn't matter. Everybody's completely squeezed together, like touching each other. No space. No space. So Radha and the gopis are eager to see Krishna. So happy to be there with Krishna. And amazingly, for 7 days, how much? How long? 7 days and 7 nights. Krishna was lifting Giriraj with his pinky finger of the left hand. Maharaj ki Jai! Bhagavatam explains. Krishna, actually Bhagavatam does not explain which hand Krishna lifted Giriraj. Bhagavatam doesn't mention. Doesn't mention he lifted with the hand, but which hand? In the Bhagavatam it's not written. But in the Garga Samhita and also in other Puranas, and also our acharyas in their shlokas, commentaries they wrote. Krishna lifted Giriraj with which hand? Left hand. Okay? And so he lifted left hand and was holding with the pinky finger of left hand. Why? So let's explain. Like Krishna is showing like, I challenge you. I challenge you. You don't know in Bhagavan? You know, like according to Shastra, left hand is weaker than the right hand. And amongst the left hand, the pinky finger, you see, amongst all your fingers, the weakest finger is our pinky finger left hand. So Krishna is like, look, I'm lifting this gigantic Giriraj. 21 miles long, big Giriraj. Like this is around, like circumference, but the height, Buddha used to say, the shadow of Giriraj would even come to Mathura. So high was the mountain.
गिरिराज की कथा तो बहुत सुंदर है।
Very beautiful Giriraj Katha.
अभिशाप से धीरे धीरे
Because of the curse of Vasarishi, day by day, Giriraj is coming on the earth. Sometimes I tell the story. But anyway, Giriraj was so big, it's not possible for a human being to lift it. Even we are trembling when we lift one glass of water, one cup of water.
और कृष्ण ने कह दी 7 दिन
But Krishna for 7 days, 7 nights,
गिरिराज गोवर्धन के क्या की
he was lifting Giriraj Govardhan with his left hand and pinky finger.
और सारे ब्रजवासी लोग
And all the Brajavasis, they were inside Giriraj, dancing, singing.
रसकथा में रसकान की कथा है।
Raskatan and Suradas, they explain beautiful things that happen in this moment, but time is so brief, I cannot say. He's asking, who lifted, Krishna or Radha? He wants to make me itching, like he's like, oh, who lifted, Krishna or Radha? You want me to continue speaking whole night, no?
शक्ति है ना, बाएं की तरफ कौन रहते हैं?
Okay, so who is the left
शादी
hand?
नहीं हो ना, वो दाएं तरफ रहता है।
So if
और शादी हो जाने पर कहाँ पर
before
रहते हैं?
marriage, the woman is in your right side, but after marriage, left side. Those who are married, no. You are brahmachari, you don't know. So the wife is always in the left side of husband.
इसलिए पति को क्या कहा जाता है? अर्धांगिनी।
That's why the wife is called
अंदर साइड पर रहता है।
Vamangini or Adangini. Vamangini, like left part of the husband's body.
शक्ति भी कहा जाता है।
Like the wife is the Shakti, potency of man.
शक्ति माना जाए और पत्नी को क्या माना जाता है? न पति के यदि शक्तिमान माना
So if the wife is
पत्नी को
Shakti,
क्या माना
potency,
जाता है?
so wife is potency and the husband is like possessing his potency, like this. So
जगतपति कौन है?
who
कृष्ण।
is Jagatpati, the Lord of the
और
world,
श्रीमती
Krishna?
राधिका
And Krishna is his potency.
ऐसे श्रीमती राधिका की शक्ति से ही कृष्ण होता है।
So Krishna lifted with his potency. In Bengali we say, parrot said, oh, Krishna lifted Giriraj. And female parrot is saying, because my family, Shrimati Radhika, gave potency to him, that's why Krishna lifted.
वो तो ब्रह्म बन जाए।
Without potency, Krishna is Brahma.
वास्तव में जो कह रहे हैं ना, ये बात सत्य है।
This is true.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन ने कृष्ण धारण की।
Who lifted Giriraj?
बोलो राधा रानी की
Jai!
इसमें रस में कहते हैं, देखो सखा लोग भी कहने
But the Sakas are also saying,
बड़े साले तू अकेला
Krishna, you think alone you lifted this Giriraj?
सखा
Come
लोग
on.
कह के बांस
And the friends of Krishna were also holding the bamboos.
मां जसोदा कहते
Mother Yashoda also told,
इतने कष्ट
my
के
son,
एक काम कर
you're holding this so hard. At least change the hands.
कर और तू खा ले
It's something.
कन्हैया बोले अच्छा ठीक है
Kanya said,
सखा,
okay.
तू थोड़ी अकेला है हम लोग भी धारण करेंगे
And then Gopal told Krishna, you're not lifting it alone. We're actually helping.
थोड़ी सी
Then Kanaya,
थोड़ी सी कहती गिरिराज को अपने हाथ
little
को
bit, he just little bit put his hand down.
टांग कर दिया। और देखो गिरिराज गोवर्धन
Giriraj started moving.
ऐसे हिलने लगे सखा लोग चिंता करने लगे ना गिरिराज गोवर्धन नीचे आ जाए हम लोग सब क्या बन जाए
Sakas thought if Giriraj falls, we'll all become
बिल्कुल ये चटनी बन जाएंगे
just like a chutney. We'll become chutney of us.
मिसल करके मसल करके चटनी बन जाएंगे
Completely chutney. Because we'll be squashed.
बढ़ जाए
If Giriraj will fall on you, it will become a chutney or not?
बिल्कुल चटनी
It will become a chutney, nothing else. It will be like completely squashed.
कन्हैया
So, Kanaya, no. Then Kanaya again, he put his hand up.
देखो हमारे सूरदास भी कहते हैं
Suradas
हमसे
explains.
गिरिराज कृष्ण कहते हैं हमने कुछ तो मां जसोदा के मक्खन के बल पर और कुछ
Majashwada is saying, oh, because of the butter of Mother Jashoda, Krishna lifted Giriraj, and also because of the strength of Shrimati Radhika.
खान की भी बहुत
So there are many kirtans of Suradas and Raskhan about this Leela. So I have to
देखो
finish.
कन्हैया ने किया कि इसी प्रकार
So
7 दिन
Kanaya for 7 days, 7 nights, he was lifting Giriraj.
और उधर संवर्तक महादेव
And this Sambatta cloud was raining everywhere.
और इंद्र भी अपने वज्र लेकर के
Indra also
चारों तरफ
brought his Vajra, his weapon, and was also sending the thunderbolts
वज्र के द्वारा
with the
वो
Vajra,
आघात करेंगे
like
और देखो
hitting with the Vajra, this weapon.
महादेव जी
Anyway, and also something amazing happened. Mahadeva, Shiva, he took his trident and put his trident up. He's called Chakreshwara Mahadev.
और देखो साक्षात
And then Mahadev directly,
अनंत देव भगवान
Anantadeva Bhagavan also manifested in the form of snake and around Giriraj on the floor, and also not even, that's why one drop didn't fall.
यहाँ तक भी अगस्त्य ऋषि
Another point also, Agastya Rishi also, he drank also all the water,
एक बूंद भी ब्रज में नहीं है
not even one
हैं?
water drop.
देखो 7 दिन 7 रात संवर्तक बादल ऐसे
7 days, 7 nights.
चलेंगे।
This rain was there.
कृष्ण
And then
इंद्र बोले
Indra told,
एक अपने नगर के बोला जाओ
To his
देख करके आओ ब्रज कैसे
look and check what is going on in Braj.
और ब्रज आकर के देखकर दूर से देखा
So he saw from far
महाराज
and told
ब्रज
Maharaj,
बिल्कुल पानी
Braj
में
is over, completely under the water, submerged.
क्या हो गया अरे इंद्र बोले वाह
And I said,
मन
oh,
में एक शंका हुई
very
भाई
nice.
देखो
Then he
इसके
thought,
बाद माना ने एक के बाद सुनना नहीं चाहिए
we should not accept only one person's opinion. Some people only listen from some person something and then speaking so much about it and telling everyone, spreading. Shastra explains, at least 2 or 3 persons have to give evidence. You cannot listen from only one person. This is foolishness. Shastra explains. So Indra thought, okay, call the other and check how is Braj. So another son came and saw the Brajavasi were so happy, showing so much happiness. No need even lights. I told, there's so many lights on the Giriraj. So there's so much illumination because of that. Also great prasadam. They called Ramananda. They called the in Vraj, if there's no Bandara, no feast, then how possible? This is true.
शायद रमेश प्रभु जी हमारे रामानंद प्रभु वहीं पर उपस्थित हुए थे ये आगे से भंडारा तो चल रही है बहुत अच्छी बात है प्रमानंद के भंडारे चलते हैं ना ये याद रखते हैं
So he remembers the Bandharas of Ramananda, the feast of Prasadam.
आकर बोले महाराज
So anyway,
ब्रज में तो बिल्कुल
Maharaj, in Braj is even there's dust like moving with the wind, like flowing, flying like this dust. And Indra came and saw like actually there's so much dust. There was not even one drop of water in Braj. Not even one drop of water. Nothing. You see, there's water here. Everything is wet. Sorry, everything is dry. Look, already dry. This is Braj. It rained, but actually it's dry. So this is Braj. Where to go? This is already Braj. Look. So some person came from Delhi, from America, from Faridabad, from Russia, from Lithuania, from Brazil. Where else? From China. Where's China? They came from China also. Brajabhumi is like this. Otherwise, very beautiful. Malachi. Okay, so Indra thought, then Indra went to Brahma, told him everything what had happened. Brahma told, hey Indra, you have committed an offense. I also thought Krishna was an ordinary boy. And I stole his cows and his sakas. I stole. Later I got to know actually Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. I committed an offense. Krishna is not ordinary. Who gave you this position to be king, of being the king? For Bhagavan gave you, Krishna gave to you. And you became the king and you think the Brajavasis are your subjects. Foolish. Brahmaji explained a lot to Indra. Then he told, Brahma told Indra, okay, now you're unknowingly, you commit some offense, what to do? But now do one thing. Who is very dear to Krishna? The cow, Surabhi Gai. Which cow? Surabhi cow. Cow. So go to the feet of Surabhi, catch her lotus feet, and go with her to Krishna and pray to Krishna. Bhagavan is so merciful to you. Saying this, Indra came to Surabhi cow, prayed to her, and then he did many prayers to her. All the offenses of Indra were forgiven. Then after that, Indra also they bathed Krishna. Sorry, Indra bathed Krishna in that Govinda Kunda. So they brought from the Akasha Ganga, Airavad, the elephant of Indra, brought this Ganga from the sky And they bathed Krishna with yogurt, milk, honey, sugar and ghee. Indra bathed Krishna. Also from the cow of the Surabhi cow. He likes this, huh? Speaking about Giriraj, he likes it. Whatever I don't want to say here, again puts in the kata, because he wants me to speak more and more. He's so happy with this kata. And also for the one of the names of Krishna is Govinda. Who gave this name to him? Indra. Govin's cow, Brahmana, Vrajavasis. Go means also senses. Krishna gives happiness to all the Vrajavasis. That's why Indra gave which name to Krishna? Govinda.
बहुत सुंदर कथाएं हैं
beautiful kathas here.
और एक गिरिराज गोवर्धन की पूजा करने से
So from the worship of Giriraj, all their desires will be fulfilled if worship Giriraj. Because the service to Giriraj, sorry, nobody has served as like Giriraj. The service of Giriraj is incomparable. The Bhagavata explains, Acharya also explains Haridasas. One is Yudhishthira Maharaj, second Uddhav Ji, third Giriraj Govardhan. Your name is in this list of Haridasas. My name is not there, his name also not. But Yudhishthira Maharaj is in this list. Because Yudhishthira Maharaj, he was completely surrendered to Lord. That's why he's called the Haridas. Haridas Tara, better servants of Hari, is Uddhav. He used to advise Krishna. So Bhagavan Krishna, Krishna's chant from Mathura to Vrindavan. So Bhagavan told Uddhav, you go to Braj. So Swayam Bhagavan sent Uddhav from Mathura to Vrindavan. There are many reasons. But Acharyas explained that Uddhav was not an ordinary person. Sometimes I say, please don't take my offense, Uddhav, he had PhD in 6 topics. He had PhD in 6 topics. He was the most intelligent, very most intelligent person, prominent person in the Vrishni dynasty. Second, he was also minister of Krishna, advisor of Krishna, meaning someone who can give advice to Krishna. Is he ordinary? He was also a very dear friend of Krishna. Whatever Uddhava had learned, from where? From his guru, Brihaspati, the guru of the demigods. But he left one knowledge behind, Prema Vidya, knowledge of love. That's why Krishna sent him to Vraj, for him to study about love. Uddhav was very intelligent, and he was always Sattvic Bhav, mode of goodness. Those who are intelligent, they don't take decision quickly. They think carefully, is this really or not? They analyze, take the witness, proves, then they take a decision. So Uddhav was also like this. So these are 6 qualifications he had. So Uddhav is Tara. Uddhav is Haridas Tam, and Haridas Tam or Haridas Varaj and best servant is Giriraj. Shastra explains, Shrimati Radhika herself is praising Giriraj.
Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparasa Pramoda Manam Tanati Sahagopa Gani Paniya Sujabasa Kandara Kandamulai. Sang Radha ji अपने मुखार में
Shrimati Radhika herself told.
करे अंताय उद्री अबला हरिदास उर्जु राधा जी कार्य देखो
Shrimati Radhika said, look, I'm a woman. I don't have potency. Let's go to close to Giriraj. Let's get the mercy of Giriraj. Then very easily, we'll be able to meet with Govinda. If you want to enter in Bhajan, you have to worship Giriraj. You have to worship Giriraj. If you want to stay in Braj, you have to do what? You have to take shelter of Giriraj. Who is the worshipful deity of the Brajavasis? It's Giriraj. People forgot this, that's why they're worshipping so many demigods and demigoddesses. They are worshipping Mother, Devi. Now they finished their worship of Maya, Devi Durga. So who came in your house now? Giriraj. I'm not joking. Actually, Giriraj is the worshipful deity of the Brajavasis. People forgot, by the influence of time, people forgot this. That's why they worship many demigods and demigoddesses. I'm not prohibiting. Even if I say for you to stop worshipping, you will not stop. But anyway, I must speak the truth. The worshipful deity of Braj is Shrimati Radhika herself told.
राम और कृष्ण और बलराम और कृष्ण जब गोचारण करते करते
when Balaram and Krishna are grazing the cows and they come to the caves of Giriraj, so many little stick. So you see in Giriraj so many waterfalls. Water is flowing from Giriraj and the sakas are breaking in these waterfalls. So in the summertime the water is very cool, but in the winter time this water is very warm. So you wouldn't need that geyser or something to heat up the water, wouldn't it? And Giriraj just provides so many fruits and roots, many kinds of flowers. Until nowadays, there are some stones in Giriraj. 1,000 years, 5,000 years have passed, but still, there's one stone called Chandan Shila, Sugandha Shila. If you put some water in the stone and you rub it, your hand will be completely kumkum color. Another one is Bhajani Shila, Mukut Shila. Have you seen this when you did Giriraj Parikrama? Giriraj used to present everything for the service of Krishna. So the gods of Giriraj, Maharaj Charan, like Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, and also Vishwanath Chakravarti, they glorified so much Giriraj. Caves and caves, and all his caves, Giriraj is presenting many things for the service of Radha Krishna. He's serving the 12 rasas. He's serving the 12 rasas. Shanta Dasa Vatsalya Madhura. There are 5 main rasas. Asa, Dibut, Karuna, Bibhatsa, and 7 minor rasas. He's serving all the
जो
rasas.
रसिक वैष्णव जो होते हैं ये आश्रम करते रहते हैं।
Those who are Rasika, they relish this. Giriraj is not
कोई कहते हैं
ordinary.
शक्कर रस है।
Some people say
गुरुदेव
he's in
कहते
Sakya
नहीं।
Ras. Gurudev said no.
जब भी वहीं पर
In
लिखा है
friendship mode.
सखे,
Sometimes
वहाँ पर
written
गुरुदेव
Sakhi,
कहते हैं
but
कि
Gurudev
देखो,
said
सखी
Sakhi.
शब्द की जो है,
Actually, the word
ये
Sakha
सखी शब्द
also means Sakhi.
सखी
Sakhi.
शब्द से
Not Sakha, but Sakhi.
संस्कृत
In Sanskrit, Gurudev used to
कुछ
say.
पंडित लोग कहते हैं
Some
कि हमको
Panditas were
शक्कर
saying,
लिखा
oh,
है।
but it's written
अरे शक्कर रस नहीं है।
Sakkaras, not Sakkaras,
सखी,
like for
क्योंकि जहाँ
friendship,
की
like
गिरिराज
men.
गोवर्धन की राधा कृष्ण की अत्यंत
Because Giriraj is present in his
निवृत्त
very,
निकुंज रहस्यमय
very
लीला होती है।
intimate leelas of Radha and Krishna.
वहाँ पर सखों के लिए संभावना
So for friends of Krishna it's not possible. The friends of Krishna I have to stay outside.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन की कंदरा में
So in the caves
जो
of
राधा
Giriraj,
कृष्ण की ऐसे ऐसे लीलाएं होती
so
है
many high
उस कंदरा
pastimes,
में सखाओं
leelas,
के प्रवेश
intimate
नहीं।
pastimes of Radha and Krishna take place there. Friends of Krishna cannot go inside. Only the Priya Narmasakas, they can serve from outside, like
वो भी दूसरी लीला
moving the fan,
है,
like
उसमें प्रवेश
from
करना।
outside. They are not qualified to
हाँ,
enter.
वहाँ पर बसंती रास है ये भी बता रहे हैं।
Basanti
अब
Ras,
देखो गिरिराज गोवर्धन
he's also saying,
है,
yes.
जाते हैं ना हम लोग चंद्र
When
सरोवर
you go to
आज
Chandra
तक भी
Sarovar,
चंद्र सरोवर है, देखो उस स्थान पर कैसे कैसे लीला और उसके
There are
आगे
many
भी
leelas happening.
शास्त्रकार कहते हैं ये गिरिराज
So,
गोवर्धन की
Shastra
दोनों
also
आंखें
explains
स्वरूप क्या है
the two eyes
राधा
of
कुंड
Giriraj are
और
the Radha Kunda and the Shama Kunda. So beautiful.
है? और गिरिराज गोवर्धन कितने सुंदर है
Giriraj is so
गोवर्धन की
beautiful.
परिक्रमा करते करते जब चलते ब्रजवासी लोग कितना आनंद।
So the
वो
Vrajavasi are so
सारी
happy with
लीलाएं
the
किसी ओर से
parikrama of
राधा जी
Giriraj.
मान करती है
Shrimati
आज
Radhika
के
is
विवाह
in
पर
Man.
देखोगे
In Samaya days
एक
you can
पेड़ है,
see there is one
जिसका
tree called
एटा कदम
Erta Kadam.
राधा जी मानवती हो जाती
Because
है
Shrimati Radhika was
और
in Man,
कृष्ण
was
की
angry,
कैसे मान बना
and Krishna
रासस्थली है
pacified her man. Another place also in Giriraj, Rasasthali, the place of Ras, Naval Kunda and also
ये
Apsara
अवसर
Kunda.
प्रसंग राधा जी
Apsara is actually Shrimati Radhika herself, and Krishna, because he's
उसी
always
की लोटा
newer and newer, like ever fresh beauty, then its Kunda is there, Naval Kunda.
जब भी अनेक विवरण है
There are many beautiful places and so much descriptions about all this. Giriraj is
ये
not
गिरिराज
ordinary.
वर्षिल का ब्रज में सर्वश्रेष्ठ स्थान
So
क्या
the highest place in Braj is Giriraj.
उस लोग हैं नहीं वो जो श्लोक है क्या है
What is the beauty of Vrindavan?
पेड़ पौधे के द्वारा सेवा नहीं शोभा नहीं बनता
The beauty of Vrindavan is not its trees and plants, but Giriraj.
वृंदावन सुरम्य भी तस्य मानसी गोविंद
Vipaksha gopis cannot enter in Radhakunda.
इतने सुंदर सुंदर स्थान है समय मैंने तो ध्यान करते हैं
So,
ये सारा रात
my tongue is itching. I want to speak about Giriraj whole night. I want to speak about the gods of Radhakunda the whole night. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came,
भाव में विभोर होकर
was immersed in bhav and dancing.
ब्रजवासी ने पूछा ये शास्त्र में लिखा है
Mahaprabhu asked
ब्रज
the
में सबसे
Brajavasis.
उन्नत सर्वश्रेष्ठ स्थान है राधा कुंड
The
और
Shastra
राधा
described
कुंड
the
से
highest
है
place of Vraj to be Radhakunda Shamakunda. Where is this? And Vrajavasi were not answering.
5,000 साल बीत गए लोगों की पता ही नहीं
Because 5,000 years had
ब्रजवासी
passed,
कहाँ
people
रहे
didn't
उस
know.
समय भी है
Vrajavasi were also not there. Actually, everybody that we see nowadays and says Vrajavasi, except for 2 or 4, everyone came from
सब इधर से उधर से आए
other
हैं।
places, not from Vraj. Like originally all these people here are not from here.
ब्रजवासी जो लोग रहने लगे है,
But the
ये
real
वृद्ध
Vrajavasis,
प्राचीन वृद्ध,
anyway, there was a
90
very
साल
old
हो गए।
person, like
एक
90 years
वृद्ध
old.
के चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने पूछा
Then Mahaprabhu
बोलो,
asked him,
हमने सुना श्रीमद् भागवत में शास्त्र में लिखा है राधा
I
कुंड
heard
में।
in
ये
the
पर राधा
Shastra
कुंड
about the
कहाँ
gods
है?
of the Radhakunda. What is the
बोले, क्या
Radhakunda?
पता?
This crazy phone.
है?
What is the
इसलिए
Radhakunda? He
कहने
said,
लगे,
I don't know.
देखो यहाँ पर 2 धानी के खेत हैं।
I don't know, I just see 2
धान होता ही ना।
fields
ब्रज
of
में
rice,
इस समय
paddy
इतने
fields.
धान होता था।
There was so much
लोग
rice in
कहते
Braj
बंगाल
at
में
that
धान
time.
होता है। अरे बंगाल में कुछ नहीं है।
I don't know.
ब्रज में उस समय जितने धान की खेती उसमें लिखा है शास्त्र में लिखा है कृष्ण भी स्वयं चावल खाते थे
Krishna
लोग
himself
कहते
used to
बंगाली
eat
लोग चावल
rice.
खाते थे।
People say only Bengalis eat rice, but they don't know that actually Krishna eats rice in the Bhagavatam. Brajavasi, they used to eat rice. Bhagavatam explains, Krishna himself, he used to mix rice with yogurt.
हाँ ब्रह्म लीला में लिखा है
In the Brahma Vimana Lila is also explains. Rice,
पका हुआ चावल है कच्चा चावल
cooked,
नहीं,
not
पका हुआ चावल
cooked
चावल
rice,
और
okay, cooked, not uncooked
दही
rice. Cooked rice, mixing with yogurt.
हाँ, देखो,
Eating.
आप खा करके देखो ना,
You can
दही,
eat
केला,
yogurt
पक्का केला है ना,
and
और चावल
banana
मिला के खाओ,
and with
थोड़ा सा
rice.
चीनी दे दो,
Put a little bit
इतना
sugar.
सुंदर होगा ना, आप
So
भूल जाओगे।
delicious. You'll forget everything.
और देखो
banana, yogurt, rice and sugar.
वो वृद्ध जो 90 साल के वृद्ध कहने लगे मुझे तो पता नहीं है कहाँ राधा कुंड है।
So this person said, oh, the Brajavasi said, I don't know what is Radha Kunda Shama Kunda, but there are 2 paddy fields. Like 2 kundas, like small ponds.
ये बोले पोखर, चलो।
Pokol.
गाँव में पोखर बोलते चलो जैसे ही बोले एक के कहते हैं काली खेत और एक के बोलता है
Kali Khet, another Gori Khet. Like one is white paddy field, another is paddy field with some ponds, another black, white and black. Then Mahaprabhu bathed, and this is Radha Kunda, first in the Radha Kunda, then in the black paddy field, and so this is Shama Kunda. So this is it, and so nowadays. So who manifested Radha Kunda Shama Kunda? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. So many great saints came, but Mahaprabhu he came and he manifested Radha Kunda Shama Kunda. Then later on, Raghunath Das Goswami, he renovated Radha Kunda Shama Kunda and made this construction around all this. Many descriptions are there. Chalo, he's saying, let's go, let's do Arati first, come on. Oh yeah, because listening Harikatha, Indra left, disappeared, stopped raining, Indra left.
हमारे ग्रंथ ये मोक्ति पंथ ये पंचम वेद निराला नव ज्योति जगाने वाला हरि नाम यही हरि ध्यान।